Hi, I'm Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making Gobi salt and pepper. This is an Indo-Chinese kind of a starter, which is very simple to make. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications, and also like, share and comment. So let's just jump right into the recipe. In here I've got cauliflower florets which I've washed and then boiled nicely, drained all the water and patted it dry. In here I've got some diced capsicum, red and yellow bell peppers. The bell peppers are optional. If you have only capsicum, you can just use that. I've also got some all-purpose flour or Maida, which I'm going to use to coat the vegetables in. So let's start adding the Maida into the vegetables and coat them nicely. Now I'm adding in the bell peppers as well, and we'll add some Maida to that and cover it nicely. So the vegetables are coated nicely. Now we'll keep this aside and start with the batter. For the batter, I've got some corn flour in here, into which I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of black pepper powder, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida. Now we'll mix all of this together. Add sufficient water and make a batter out of it. Now the batter is ready and the consistency should be like this. It should be in pouring consistency. So I've placed a kadai on fire on medium heat and the oil is nice and hot. I've got the batter ready and we've got the vegetables covered in Maida. So we'll pick the vegetables, dip it in the batter and make sure you cover it from all sides. Drop this in hot oil. Fry them until they change color slightly and then remove it into a paper napkin. So the Gobi salt and pepper is ready. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.